Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, break. I am not breaking a chair. Second, rise. The sun rises. The sun is rising in the east. 3. Write. The writer wrote a novel. 4th, study. The student study for the exam. 5th, captured. The photographer captured breathtaking image. 6th, plants. The gardener plants flowers in the spring. 7th, flew. The bird flew high in the sky. 8th, fixed. The mechanic fixed the car's engine. 9th, home. I am at home. 10th, name. What is your name? Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.